How to swap ETH to Sol on Phantom Wallet. First things first, open up the Phantom Wallet app on your phone. Once you're in the app, you'll see a list of different cryptocurrencies you can work with. Find Ethereum in the list and tap on it. On the Ethereum page, look for the swap button. Tap on it to start the swapping process. Now you need to choose the cryptocurrency you want to swap your ETH for. Tap on the Select Token option to open a list of available tokens. A list of tokens will pop up, but to make things quicker, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type Solana. When you see Solana in the list, go ahead and tap on it to select it. Now, you need to enter how much Ethereum you want to swap. There will be a box where you can type in the amount. Make sure you have enough ETH to cover both the swap and any fees that might be charged. After you've entered the amount of Ethereum, tap on the Review Order button. This will show you a summary of your swap, including the amount of Sol you'll get and any fees. Check all the details on the review page to make sure everything looks good. If it does, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the swap. You might need to confirm the transaction and pay a small fee. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy crypto tips. Happy swapping, and see you in the next video.